Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to block specific YouTube channel video. Sometimes you are receiving a number of notification, or you just simply open the YouTube and some of the garbage video are showing you in your front of eye. So how to block such kind of video or specific YouTube channel, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. So now let's start as a laptop screen. So let's start simply. I open here my YouTube and suddenly I open the YouTube and some of the video are automatically coming here. I don't want watch those video, even I don't want such kind of bad thumbnails. So how I block such kind of YouTube? Just simply click here three dots, right click, and don't recommend this channel and not interested. If I click here don't recommend this channel, so next time I open the YouTube, so such kind of video is not display from my screen specific on this YouTube channel. You can block such kind of video multiple times like this. You click here don't recommend this channel also. So some of the YouTubers are making so bad videos and you don't want watch, or you have no interest such kind of video. So accordingly you can block not interested for this particular video. You can undo also, or you can say don't recommend this channel forever. For me, you can do this process and avoid bad YouTube video on your screen. It's very simple tips and tricks. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.